Looking for the #1 upgrade to transform your car's look? Meet the Banzai Eco Car Trunk Spoiler Roof Lip Kit. This affordable universal spoiler is your instant visual upgrade. Perfect for sedans, hatchbacks, coupes, and compact SUVs. Measuring 59 inches in length and 1.38 inches wide, it's designed for a perfect fit. Made from premium, flexible PU material, its flexibility allows for a high-quality custom fit. The glossy black, factory-style finish resists fading, cracking, and the elements. Installation is beginner-friendly. Just clean the surface, measure, trim if needed, and press into place using the pre-installed adhesive tape. The result? A sporty profile and enhanced aerodynamic appearance. The Banzai spoiler is the excellent budget-friendly cosmetic modification for any car.
At number 2, we have the Joy Core Car Rear Spoiler Roof Lip Kit. It's a versatile universal spoiler designed to improve both your vehicle's appearance and exterior protection. Measuring approximately 57.75 inches long and 1.45 inches wide, it can easily be trimmed to accommodate different cars, SUVs, trucks, and crossovers. Made from premium automotive-grade rubber, this spoiler offers excellent flexibility and durability against UV exposure, rain, and heat. Its strong adhesive creates a secure hold. Its glossy finish blends nicely with most factory paint colors for an OEM-inspired appearance, giving your car a sporty performance look. In addition to style, it also helps protect vulnerable body panels from minor scratches and light impacts, while aiding in airflow and stability. Its flexible construction allows it to fit trunks, roofs, and bumpers, making it one of the most versatile spoiler kits available. Installation requires no drilling. Simply clean the surface, cut the spoiler to length, remove the adhesive backing, and press firmly into position. If you're looking for an inexpensive way to personalize your vehicle, this spoiler kit is an excellent value.
Our third product is OWEC Rear Spoiler Wing. This rear spoiler is a stylish and functional upgrade designed specifically for the Honda Civic 4-door sedan models from 2022 to 2026. Made from durable ABS material, it offers excellent resistance against wear, impacts, and daily weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. The sleek design with a glossy black finish adds a sporty, premium appearance while maintaining the original style of the vehicle. Beyond aesthetics, the spoiler helps improve aerodynamics by reducing wind resistance and lift at higher speeds, providing better stability and driving confidence. Installation is simple and requires no drilling. Just clean the trunk surface, apply the included double-sided tape, position the spoiler, and press firmly into place. For the strongest bond, installation above 10 degrees Celsius and avoiding water exposure for 48 hours is recommended. This spoiler is an excellent choice for Civic sedan owners looking to enhance their car's aggressive look while adding aerodynamic benefits. Now number 4, Waiyoyo 2 PCS Car Rear Bumper Diffuser Spoilers. This rear bumper diffuser spoiler kit is a practical upgrade for drivers who want to enhance their vehicle's sporty appearance while adding extra protection. Constructed from durable PP material, it offers excellent strength, toughness, and resistance against impacts, scratches, rain, mud, and chemical exposure. Its sturdy build helps protect the rear bumper from minor collisions and parking-related damage while maintaining reliable performance over time. The streamlined design improves the vehicle's aggressive look and may help reduce airflow resistance at higher speeds, contributing to smoother and more stable driving. The elegant black finish blends well with various vehicle styles, giving a customized performance-inspired appearance without looking excessive. Designed to fit most cars, SUVs, trucks, and vans, it is important to measure your bumper before installation. The package includes 2 diffuser spoilers and 6 mounting screws for secure attachment. Overall, it is a cost-effective choice for adding style, durability, and functional protection to your vehicle. And our last choice is Narpi's Universal Rear Window Spoiler Roof Wing. This hatchback rear spoiler is an excellent exterior upgrade for drivers who want to give their vehicle a more aggressive and sporty appearance. Designed to fit most hatchbacks and SUVs, it is compatible with many popular brands, but checking your exact vehicle year and model before purchase is recommended. Made from premium ABS plastic, the spoiler offers high strength, impact resistance, wear resistance, and reliable durability for long-term use. The smooth gloss black finish provides a stylish factory-inspired look while helping it withstand different weather and road conditions. Installation is convenient with both double-sided adhesive and self-tapping screws, and the included manual guides users through the process. Once installed, it adds a customized performance style that can transform the overall appearance of your vehicle. With quality construction, practical mounting options, and dedicated customer support, this spoiler is a great choice for car enthusiasts looking to enhance their vehicle's exterior design.